In this video, I'll guide you through how to rename categories in Microsoft To Do. Renaming your categories or labels is a simple way to keep your tasks more organized and easier to scan, especially if you've been using the default names for a while and they no longer match how you actually work. To get started, you'll first need to open Outlook since Microsoft To Do pulls its categories from your Outlook account. You can do this either in your web browser or using the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Just make sure you're signed in with the same account you use for Microsoft To Do so that any changes you make will show up correctly in your task lists. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the main settings panel, usually sliding out from the right side of the screen. In that settings panel, you'll want to move into the full settings area where all of Outlook's options are listed. From there, you're looking for the section labeled General. Click on General and then select Categories. This is where Outlook stores all of the color-coded categories that also appear in Microsoft To Do, on your calendar, and in your email. On the categories page, you'll see a list of all the categories currently available in your account. These might have names like red category, blue category, or anything you've already customized in the past. Take a moment to look through the list and find the category you want to rename. It can help to think about what that category represents for you, like personal, high priority, or clients, so you can choose a name that makes sense and is easy to recognize later. When you've found the category you want to change, look for the edit icon next to it. This usually looks like a small pencil. Click that pencil icon to open the editing options for that specific category. You'll see the current category name highlighted and ready to be changed. Now, simply type in the new name you want to use. Try to keep category names short but descriptive so they're easy to read quickly when you're scanning your tasks or emails. For example, instead of something very long like things I need to do this week, you might choose this week or weekly focus. Clear naming makes it easier to stay organized over time. After you've entered the new name, make sure to click Save. This is an important step because your changes won't apply until you do. Once you hit Save, Outlook will update that category and the new name will automatically sync over to Microsoft To Do and other connected Microsoft 365 apps that use the same categories. From this point on, whenever you open Microsoft To Do, you'll see your updated category name wherever that category is applied. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment to sync or refresh your app or browser. That's all you need to do to rename categories in Microsoft To Do using Outlook's category settings. By taking a minute to rename your categories to match how you actually think about your work, you'll make it much easier to sort, filter, and prioritize your tasks across Microsoft's apps.